How do I connect my Bluetooth device to my Vizio TV?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to walk through the process of connecting a Bluetooth device to your Vizio TV. This could be useful for those of you who want to connect a pair of headphones, a soundbar, or other Bluetooth devices. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started.
Checking your TV's compatibility.
Firstly, it's important to check if your Vizio TV supports Bluetooth connectivity. Vizio smart TVs generally come with Bluetooth capabilities. However, if you're unsure, please refer to your TV's user manual or the manufacturer's website for specific model details.
Preparing your Bluetooth device.
Now that you've confirmed your TV's compatibility, let's prepare your Bluetooth device. Make sure your device is turned on and in pairing mode. The process for this can vary from device to device, but typically there is a button to hold down until a light starts blinking, indicating it's ready to pair.
Accessing the Bluetooth menu on your Vizio TV.
Next, we'll access the Bluetooth settings on your Vizio TV. Start by pressing the Menu button on your TV remote, then select Settings. From the Settings menu, look for Devices, and under this, you should find Bluetooth.
Pairing the Bluetooth device.
After accessing the Bluetooth menu, you should see a list of available devices. Find your device in this list and select it. The TV will then connect to the Bluetooth device. Please note that you might be asked to enter a code for pairing, which should be found in your device's manual.
Ensuring successful connection.
Finally, you need to make sure that the device has been connected successfully. Once your device is connected, it will appear in the list of paired devices on the TV. If you run into any issues, make sure your device is in pairing mode and within range, and try the process again. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Bluetooth device to your Vizio TV. Now you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies with enhanced sound quality or privacy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful to you. Happy viewing!